Yeah, welcome back to Geography Design 247. I believe you guys are doing great. It's your boy, Geography Design here. I was asked to animate a carousel post with smooth self-scrolling transition, and I discovered that it was not easy as it looks on a smartphone. After trying different methods, I finally got it work. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how I did it using my smartphone. Let's get it done. Now, once you open your CapCut, you are going to open a new project. You click on project, then you click on create. We are going to create a new project for this carousel. Now we are going to go with the this. So for the sake of this tutorial, we are going with this for the carousel slides. So we are going to take this off. Okay, so now if you are making this carousel slide, set it at 10 seconds above so that people will have enough time to read as he's scrolling. So for the sake of this video, I'm going with 3 seconds, as you can see it. But if you are making it for a carousel for your client, ensure that you increase the duration. All right, so we are going to add a keyframe to this. So now, first of all, before we move it, we are going to add a keyframe. So for us to add a keyframe, we are going to click on this. This is the keyframe. You see where the arrow is showing. So I'll do my best to ensure that you achieve this on a phone. All right, so you tap the keyframe, then you press this background that we just inserted. You press it and hold it. You drag it to the edge, to the last edge, like this. All right, I hope you guys are following. Then you move it to the edge. You see what I did? You scroll to the last edge again, then you press and hold it again, then you drag it to your left hand side as well, to the last edge. Now after you have done that, you play it and see what you have gotten. You see it, right? You see it, right? So it's faster because of the time duration, but if you want it to stay longer, you increase the duration. Depends how the duration you increase, that's how faster and slow it will go. Now for us to make it long, I want to make it long. I want to use like 3 to 4 background on this so that you get it, because if you are making a carousel, you will have to make like up to 10 carousel, right, slides. So now for us to make another one, what we're going to do here is we are going to tap it, and then we are going to double tap, duplicate it, copy. Then once you duplicate it, you are going to click on overlay. Okay, click on overlay. Now if you click on overlay, automatically it will come down, then you play it and see. You see, right? Now we are going to work on this. So now for us to work on this, we are going to move this to the middle of this one. I hope you guys are following. So now for us to do that, we are going to press this and hold, press it and hold it, then drag it. Okay, so now before we do that, we are going to ensure that we set this. All right, so we are going to change this for us to ensure that it's aligned. We are going to change this, replace this with a new background because it is the same background. So we are going to change this. So you tap it, then you go to replace at the bottom here. You tap it, then you replace it. We are going to replace this one. You see the background automatically change. Then we are going to set it very well so that it does not hover. Okay, that's too much. Bring it back a little bit. Okay, cool. Now let's play it and see. You see, right? So now I'm going to add another one. So for you to add another slide, you are going to tap the first one, not the second one. All right, you are going to tap it again, then you are going to duplicate it. Do the same thing as you do to the other one. You duplicate it, then you come to overlay. You come here to overlay, you tap the overlay, you bring it down. Now let's play it. I want to do it one step at a time so that you understand what I'm doing. You see this one, it automatically come to the middle of this one. If you check it, is at the middle of this one already, so we are not going to touch this one. The only thing we're going to do on this one is we're going to replace this with a new background so that we can see the differences. You click on replace, then we're going to go with this particular one. Now let's play it and see. You see it, right? Then if for in case maybe you want to add another one again, if you want to add another one, let's say most carousels come with 10 slides. Okay, like I said, we are going to make use of, for the sake of this video, we're going to make use of 3 to 4. All right, so let's add another one. You click on the first one. Note, only make use of the first one, because if you make use of any of these, you will not get what you want. You click on the first one, then you double tap it, then you click on overlay again. Now this time around, you are going to press this one, hold it and drag it back a little bit so that it's on the middle of this one. Sorry, that's too much. Place it on the middle of this one like this. Cool. Now let's play it and see if it aligns. Okay, cool, it aligns. So what we're gonna do here is we're going to replace this one as well. So you go to replace at the downside here. So we are going to replace it with this particular one. Click on replace. Now let's play it and see. Okay, let's make it 5. Then we're going to tap this one, the first one again, do the same thing. It's simple as that. Then you tap on overlay, you press it and hold it, you take it to the last edge, let it be at the middle of this one. Okay, so for you to make it easy, you look at the button of this other one, you set it, let it be aligned with this button. If you cannot figure the middle of it, this one. Okay, that's another way for you to do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to replace this with another background, which is this. Now let's play it and see. You see how easy it is, right? Simple as that. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, most carousel do come with music, so we're going to add music to this so that it will be fitting and look more professional. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on, you're going to tap on audio. So you tap on audios, you tap on sound, then you go to if you have a music on your device that you want to use specifically, you can use it, or you can choose anyone from this one. Okay, let's just use this for the sake of this. Now let's play it and see. You see how simple it is, right? Now let's cut these off. Let's cut this. Okay, now let's play it again. So that is how I do achieve this. This is a challenge that I passed through, so I give it a thought to share this tutorial with you, because what I have passed through, I don't want other person to pass through it. I want to make it easy for them. That is why I come up with this animation to help you find it easy. Please, if you find this tutorial helpful, give it a like so that others will benefit just as you benefit. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free, all right, so that whenever we update our new our channel with a new tutorial, you will always be notified. And please, if you have any specific tutorial in mind that you want me to drop in this channel, do it to drop a comment in the comment section. I will surely attend to you. You can rate this tutorial as well. If you have anything that you observe in this tutorial, please drop a comment in the comment section. I'm willing to learn from you too. Thank you. It's your boy Jerry Graphic Design here. See you in the next tutorial.